Hey guys, my name is Sean. I'm a tech and a manager down at the Live Oak location, and this is my Intense primer. Starting off with the frame, you probably noticed that it's not a original color. I went ahead and had the frame and the fork custom painted. It's this really cool color shift effect. It goes from teal to green to purple. And yeah, I had it custom painted by Element 6 in Santa Ana. They do custom paint on bikes and carbon repair on bikes, so definitely go check them out if you need any of that work done. I definitely went with the oil slick theme on this bike, as you can see. So we got the oil slick handlebars, stem, top cap, spacers. I got titanium bolts from betterbolts.com. We got the lock-on clamps for the grips. I built this wheel set from NS Hubs, and I got some spokes online that are oil slick and nipples that are oil slick. I had oil slick rotors before, but they were too small, so I went to 203 Shimano SLX. And yeah, oil slick bottle cage, the 1-up oil slick pedals. We got XX1 cassette and chain, GX derailleur shifter. I'm running Schwalbe tires on here, which I really love. I have the what is this? The Racing Ray in the back, and the Magic Mary up front. Really good combo for riding around here. And yeah, Fox Flow DPX2 rear shock and a Pike Select Plus fork. And that's about it.